Hi, I'm Cece. As a cloud-native CAD platform, CrownCAD breaks through the limitations of traditional CAD, delivering a truly real-time collaborative design experience. With file sharing, multiple users can edit the same project online at the same time. When multiple members enter the same project, a collaborative icon appears in the bottom right corner. Click it to turn on follow mode. Followers can watch the designer's process in real time, such as creating features. The designer can turn off follow mode anytime, and followers can exit on their own. All changes sync in real time. No tedious check-in or checkout required. Multiple users can create together seamlessly. With the built-in comment system, team members can communicate and review anytime, making remote collaboration as efficient as being in the same room while boosting both design speed and teamwork. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.